what happens sometimes that okay, I am the like producing that, my production of manufacturing unit is there and I am working and I am receiving suppose a threats like that you are infringing my rights. Okay. So, I know, suppose I am very confident that yes, no, I am not infringing, but sometimes that threats are like a unreasonable threats are there. Now, just see the background, what happens, no? So, many times this non-proprietary owners like are there. Non-proprietary owners are like these are like a bundling of rights is another one model is there. So, what exactly? That these entities, these are the companies, these are the entities, they will buy patents from the actual patent holder. Okay, so original patent holder whosoever is there, from there they will buy it. I am just giving one scenario so that you can appreciate the intricacies of that. So, they will buy. So, suppose they have bought the patent from say 10 patent holders. Now, what will happen? They will just hold that the rights obviously, because completely they have given it is a sale of patent. So, suppose I am a owner, somebody come and then he will say that I am giving you X amount and then I will sell that patent, that is possible. No? So, what happened now, my rights are nothing, means I do not have any rights, I have transferred all my rights to that the next who have like bought that patent, finish. So, like property transfer ho gaya, that is a kind of a scenario that property is sold. So, right